Hello guys, this is Bertie from Seven Oaks, and I wanted to share in this live something that I learned recently, actually in the last couple of months, and I think it's phenomenal. I mean, it's genius. It's really made a huge difference in my life, so I'm absolutely happy to share with you. So what it's all about, the title is that how to use our 6 mental faculties in these crazy times. I should tell you honestly, I'm quite well educated, but before this program, we're doing an amazing mindset program with a mentor and with a program. And before that, I didn't know that was my. If you ask in the street or in any meeting, that what is my 6 mental faculties, I didn't know that. So it was new for me. I know, first of all, it's really shocking that's happening outside. It's really madness and crazy, and I'm absolutely sorry for any loss or any disruption that you have or your friends or family. But at the same time, I believe that if we just leave it coming in, this kind of sadness, this kind of fear, this kind of desperate feeling, if we are getting to this, we can't do any big difference. So it doesn't help to anyone. So that's why I thought to share this, because I think it's genius. So first of all, what is the word, how is word is programming us? Because actually most of us, including me, before that, this was the kind of external factor that decided how I see the world, how I feel myself, and what are these kind of sensory factors. There are 5. I see something, I hear, I smell, I taste or touch. So see, hear, smell, taste and touch. This is your 5 sensory factors, and this is how the outside world is communicating with you. But if you just let this happen, that this is your main driver, actually, then they will control you, and actually you can just only react to this. React with fear, react with desperation or angry. I mean, you look at people, they go to shopping, everybody is so tense and everything. So what is the other part, and what is your inside out? And this is magic. That's why we got these 6 mental faculties, and one of them is the perception, your point of view, or I would say which angle you see. Everything has a positive, negative, everything got a polarity, so that's kind of low of polarity. So it's really important to use this perception. And just give you an idea, anything happens outside or with this crazy stuff, there's always something that you can get from it. Maybe more time with yourself, more time with your child, or think about how to move on, how to be better at something. So I think it's an opportunity. So it's not just the negative things. There is also something that you can get out of it. And the another one is the reason. So the first mental faculty is the perception, how you see things. And actually, I'll tell you, that's the number 5, the reason. What kind of meaning you give to something. There's a great book on this, it's probably the strongest one, Man's Search for Meaning, from Viktor Frankl. This was a psychiatrist from Vienna, spent many years in a war camp, in a concentration camp. And during his physical and mental abuse, he maintained his control, maintained his sanity, and find a purpose to survive and to talk about this. This is very powerful, really powerful. So the reason is you got this as a mental faculty to give meaning. And this is really powerful. We have to be conscious about giving meaning to things, because I think everything happens for a reason. Maybe it's not good, maybe it's bad, maybe it's struggling, maybe it's fun, but it's happening, and this is part of life, and you have to grow from this. So second mental faculty is will. You got the will, or I should say you got a will to focus on something, because anything happens, you can choose what to focus on. And these days, even, we are staying home, but all social media is active. In the last 30 minutes, I wanted to think, and what I have to do, turn off the mobile, turn off the volume of the laptop, and really focus on one thing. Because otherwise, everything is ping, pong, bing, bing. Even when we are home, this crazy distraction kills you. Your soul is not happy if you're always bombarded with all these things. So you have to have this kind of feel and focus, and what you focus on is growing. These days, what you can focus on the good things. You can play with your family. You can go to sports every day with my son, and what a great blessing. Or you can work on things that you didn't have the time, and now you have the time. So you can focus on that. The next one is imagination, and imagination is the source of creation. I didn't know that it's so powerful that what you think about, that the things will be created. So it's really powerful to be conscious about the imagine situation or a being or a goal or whatever that gives you good feeling, and especially these difficult times. Another one is memory, imagination and memory. What kind of memory you pull out from your database, from your inventory, because all of us have something good to remember and to be grateful. So gratefulness and positive memories will help you. At the same time, imagination. Imagine that this will lead to something better. I mean, we will learn from many angles from this situation, from healthcare, from mental health, from safety, from economic point of view. So many things nothing will be the same actually. So you should imagine a better world. I imagine a better world after this, not something that we end of the world and we will just be doomed. So this was actually perception, will, imagination, memory, reason, and the last one is intuition. I love this. I mean, I don't know that you believe in a universe or God or something bigger than just our flesh and body. I believe in that I'm something part of something bigger. And when you pray or you talk to the universe, when you pray, you try to talk to this one being. But when you use your intuition, God or universe talks to you. So it's pretty powerful. I mean, everybody can use the intuition and it works brilliantly. Just believe that there's one and use it. Because if you use these 6 mental faculties, I promise that these things will be easier and you can make a bigger difference around everything. So perception, will, imagination, memory, reason, and intuition. I hope it was useful. I learned a lot from these, and using every day, it makes a huge difference. So keep safe, keep well, sending our love, and we will go through this. As Winston Churchill said, if you're going through hell, keep going. So that's what we have to do. All the best, guys. Bye-bye.